A, B, C, or D, and if the interpreter scores below the C and D, they're not certified. So it's important to get an interpreter that is certified.
What if I can't find one?
There are a few certified interpreters in this area, so you should be able to find one.
Well, I only have so much money that I can spend here. We just have a budget. I know your son's important to you, but I have 500 other students in this school, and we can't spend all of our money on an interpreter. How much would I have to pay for an A-certified interpreter?
You can't look at it like with the money. You can't look at it just at the money perspective. It all boils down to equal access, and that's what's important for all students, to have that equal access of learning.
Well, what would happen if I had 4 or 5 students that showed up that were deaf and they all needed an interpreter? I would never be able to afford interpreters for all those children.
You just really got to put the money aspect aside and just really focus on what's important for the students to have equal access of learning. That's what's important.
Well, I think he probably has equal access. He has the same teacher. He has a certified teacher, and everybody else in that room seems to do fine. The fact is, he's handicapped, and I guess he'll just have to work a little harder. teacher, and every
you can't label children as that. Deaf people can learn and they can have this equal access, and you can't view them as that. It's important for my child to have a certified interpreter. It would make my child have the equal access. Right now, with not a certified interpreter in a classroom with a volunteer interpreter, my child's going to continue to fail. And you've just got to notice that even if you have a hearing student and a deaf student with a certified interpreter, that'll help them be able to have that equal access and understand and just not be clueless about what's going on. You've got to support certified interpreters in this situation. Other schools in this area do have interpreters that are certified.
Well, now, I don't think it'll be necessary to complain. I think we might be able to find the money for an interpreter. But what will I do with Beth?
You can encourage Beth to practice and take the certification test, and that'll help her improve and be able to better benefit in a classroom setting.
Well, that's a good idea. We'll just let Beth take some classes. She can keep on interpreting for Earl, and she can go take some classes at night. How many classes do you have to take to be certified? She could probably be certified before he finishes middle school.
No, you can't wait. This isn't going to solve the problem. We need a certified interpreter now, immediately. That's what's important for my son. He needs that certified interpreter in the situation, in the classroom. So we can't wait for Beth to take classes.
Fitzpatrick.
You asked me a name and I've missed it. What was it? Anyways, it's probably not that important. We need a certified interpreter now. We can't just wait and while she practices and learns. We need a certified interpreter now. That's what's important.
Well, how do you think I should go about getting a certified interpreter?
The Division of Hard of Hearing has a list of certified interpreters that they're willing to give you.
Okay, I can call them and see. Do you think advertising in the newspaper would be a good idea? Just call the
No, don't fool with the newspaper.
division, huh?
Yes, that's right.